Hi folks, my name is LAWRENCEman and today I want to talk to you about XP Pen, obviously. So, they've been around for coming up to 20 years now and they've decided it's time for a bit of a branding update. Why not? So, this is it. This is the new logo. Nice little refresh, I think. They've also gone with the brand tagline, Dream, Brave, True. Interesting. Maybe a bit of a philosophy in there. What exactly does it mean? Well, it means realize your dreams, explore with bravery, and express your true self. Let me know what you think of that in the comments below. I'd love to start a conversation and hear your take on that. Like I say, a bit of a philosophy there. I'm interested in what you as an artist and a creator think of that. But along with the new logo and along with the new tagline, they also have this video that I'm going to play for you now. But stick with me because after this I've got more news as well. So, what did you think of that? Let me know in the comments below. Lots of interesting little things there if you look closely enough. Yes, they showed us tablets that we've seen before, like the Artist Pro range here and the Deco range that I've got right here. Both of these, you'll be seeing more videos coming out very soon from me, and videos about tablets you haven't seen quite yet as well will be coming soon on my channel. Maybe even some giveaways. And you'll see content if you follow me on my other platforms as well. I am a judge in the ongoing Find X competition. So yeah, be nice to me. But XP Pen have decades of experience when it comes to creating software and hardware for creatives like you and me. They also do some things that you might not know about, like the XP Pen marker range here. You know, markers, a traditional medium brought out by a digital company. Fantastic. But let's not forget the drawing tablets that they are well known for. So we've got the Artist Pro range, the Artist range, the Innovator range, the Deco range that I've spoken about before, as well as the Deco Pro range and the Deco Fun range for absolute beginners, and the Star series as well. They've got a lot. Even if you don't know about all of those, go and check out the XP Pen website, link in the description below. And yeah, there's something for everybody in all budget ranges. And the newer technology that you are going to see from XP Pen, maybe I know a few things that you don't, and there's a lot to look forward to. So remember to hit subscribe, remember to hit the notifications bell, and you will get to see some new content coming up that's definitely worth looking out for if you're looking for a new tablet. Okay, I'll see you all later. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of the new XP Pen brand. Ciao for now. I'll see you all later.